All right, guys, welcome back. I apologize. Okay, so what did we do? It went down, we found our A, B, and C. You found your axis of symmetry right here, and then we plugged that in to get our vertex, and now we're in the process of, the roots will come later after we graph it. We got our minimum and maximum, it's always the vertex. This one tells you you're gonna open down. Something is not right. We're supposed to open down. Let me check my math right here. Something is not right with that math, okay? So, that's -2 divided by parentheses, 2 times -1. That's actually a 1. I'm so glad we came back. That's a 1. There we go. It's a 1. Ha! Since that's a 1, I was like, something's not right. It's opening up, and that one tells me I'm opening down. So my numbers here should not be a 4. Get rid of that. It should be 1, 1. Okay, just like that. See? Sometimes you got to see if it's going to work or not. Okay? Here we go. All right, so here we go. Negative parentheses, square plus 2, 1 plus 3. And that comes out to be 4. So our vertex is actually 1 comma positive 4. 1 comma positive 4, still a maximum. So this is not the right part. Okay? So 1 positive 4. There's my vertex. Ha ha ha. So axis of symmetry is not right either. This is how you can always check yourself. All right, so here is your axis of symmetry. So x equals 1. All right, so let's go ahead and graph. Y equal, I type that in, go to your table. Your vertex is at positive 1 and 4, so let's go 2 up. -1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 4. Let's go 2 down, 2, 3, 3, 0. All right, let's go ahead and graph. Here we go. -1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 0. So how many times did it cross the x-axis? 2. There we go. Woo. One number changes everything, doesn't it? All right. Let's go to the next example. Okay, here we go. So let's look at these right here. Okay. Now, this one you have a y minus 5 equals 1/3 x plus 2 squared. Okay. Now, this one's a little different because it's not ax squared plus bx plus c. You see how there's a 5 right here? Since there's a 5 right here, you need to isolate y, so we're going to move the 5 over. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So now you have y equal 1/3 x plus 2 squared plus 5. I love this form. This is the easiest form to graph. This is called the vertex form, okay? So here's your 2 and here's your 5. Here's your h, here's your k. So your vertex right here is always going to be hk. So if this is a positive 2, the vertex here will be a -2. The one inside the parentheses is always the opposite of whatever it is. And then this one is a 5. Notice your A, this is your A right here, is positive, so it's going to open up, okay? You are not going to have A, B, and C. We're not going to do that. Well, if you want to really write, A is 1/3, but you don't have to write that, okay? Axis of symmetry is always this x value, kind of like right here. You notice how they always match up, x, 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 okay? So your axis of symmetry is -2. Your roots, we'll look at them later. So this is also negative 2 and 5. It opens up, so it will be a minimum. And your y-intercept, you're not going to find it here. That's the only thing it doesn't tell unless you do the math. However, you could set x equal to 0 and it'll give you the y. Okay? So I'll tell you that in a little bit. All right. So here we go. Y equal 1/3 0 plus 2 squared plus 5. Okay. So let's do this real quick. This is how you find your y-intercept. Okay? 1 divided by 3, parentheses, 0 plus 2, square plus 5. Math, enter, enter. So your y-intercept is, wow, okay, 19 over 3. So 0, 19 over 3. We're going to check on that real quick. I hope it's right. 1/3, 0 plus, yeah, that's your y-intercept. X is 0. Did I type it in correctly? I think so. Let me try it differently. Parentheses, 0 plus 2, square, plus 5. Yep, that's it. Just wanted to make sure. Okay. All right, so now we have axis of symmetry is negative 2. So x equals negative 2. Vertex is negative 2 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Y-intercept is like 6.3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a little bit above. And it's going to open up. So let's take a look. Y equal, here we go. I like to put parentheses around my fraction, just I'll let you know. So we have what? X plus 2 square plus 5. Go to your table, go find your 2 and 5. Okay, I honestly don't like my decimals, so I'm going to go negative 5 and 8. Okay, and then you have negative 2 and 5. Let's see if we can go up some more and get negative 8 and 17. Okay, let's go down to, that's up to you, 1, 8. Let's go find another whole number, 4 and 17. And I'm going to graph these instead. All right, so negative 5 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 2 and 5, right there. Negative 8 and 17. 6, 7, 8. Way up here somewhere. Good enough for me. 1 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the other one's way over there. And here's my graph. All right. So the root is 0. Never crosses. Okay? So there you have. This is the vertex. This is how you find the y-intercept right here. That's what you do to find the y-intercept. You set x equal to 0. That's what you do. All righty. Okay, and there you guys have your assignment for today. Work on it tomorrow as well. Okay. Good luck to you guys. I know you'll do great.